Hello, good evening, students. Today's transcription number back of 138 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Now, sir, so far as the States Reorganization Commission was concerned, it was stated that as far as possible there ought to be no statutory safeguards as such except to the minimum extent, and whatever it has stated has been accepted. It was stated that in respect of the rights of the children of these linguistic minorities, there ought to be a statutory provision and that they ought to be taught through the medium of their own mother tongue at the primary school level. Now, that has been accepted, as the House will find a new provision has been made in the bill so far as the secondary education stage is concerned and so far as the other questions are concerned. The other questions are many, as for example, to what extent there should be the language of a minority as a medium of examination in middle schools and in colleges, or whether it should also be a medium of administration in government offices. Now, sir, there is another question also which has been raised, namely the question of domiciliary rules. There are certain states where certain rules are made according to which it may be difficult for the non residents in that area to acquire certain rights. In some cases, very long periods have been laid down. If I mistake not, in one case 12 years residence was prescribed, and that was considered rather inequitable. As you are aware, sir, in this respect, the Constitution has stated that if, for example, there are any such rules which had the force of law at the time when the Constitution was inaugurated, then they would continue to have the force of law until Parliament makes a law in that respect. We are considering that aspect of the question also. Then, sir, the important question that has to be noted is that if we have a common citizenship, then the question arises whether it would be open or it ought to be open to the various state governments to lay down certain rules which are likely to be complained of as discriminatory provisions so far as the acquisition of property is concerned, or so far as the admission to government services is concerned. Therefore, sir, the whole subject is under the consideration of the Government of India, and we are anxious to evolve certain provisions. Therefore, sir, coming back to the linguistic minorities, what has been decided is this. It was suggested that the governor should have the right of finding out the solution for this and giving property rights to all citizens in his state.